facing the fury of the North Sea water wave. Why do ships sail through such dangerous waves? Risking everything against the power of the sea? Because sometimes, there is no safe way. In the North Sea, storms can strike without warning. The waves rise like mountains and the winds howl with incredible force. But ships must keep moving, carrying the oil, gas, and cargo that keep nations alive. Turning back is not always an option. Changing course costs time, fuel, and millions of dollars. So they push on, straight into the storm. For sailors, every second feels endless. The sound of metal creaking, the shaking of the deck, and the endless roar of the waves. It's not just a job. It's a test of courage, discipline, and respect for the power of nature.